Victorinox. And then on the upper tool, NDK Swiss. Okay, there was some cutting action. And the first round, grinding discs, we have Expert vs Bosch. And hard to say, I'm going to say that the Bosch is going to win. Cutting discs. We have again Expert, that was really good on the grinder series, and Craftomat. Okay, let's see which one has the more diameter left. Fiskars vs Glass Ulson axe. It's like modern thing vs old traditional wooden handle. Okay, I think we have some results. Okay, we were too quick to judge this. It was actually the Fiskars that won. But it's really hard to say which is going to cut and which been cut. It looks so weird, but I think this is pretty clear result. Fiskars won. I think that's probably enough. Okay, that was like 20 tons.
Oh.
Looks really nice. I think we have to look the high speed. Yeah, the shrapnel goes really fast every time when it goes. It's like caters some pressure and then it cuts a bit more in a huge explosion. So the Biltema was clear winner on this highly scientific test. Okay, it's the same with the knife test. This doesn't probably mean anything for the actual use cases, but still fun test to do. And if you have ideas for other similar videos, please let me know. These are tungsten carbide tipped saw blades designed to cut through everything. But what happens if you try to cut a saw blade with a saw blade? Oh, that doesn't look good. You can Hanna beat the high speed. Okay, here we go. No, fine. Okay, that's enough. Let's stop. Let's have a look. all the tungsten carbide bits, not all actually. Yeah, hey, I'm going to declare that Pahko is the winner because Piltema is missing almost all tungsten carbide, but Pahko has still plenty left. Here we go. Yeah, at least the top grinder attachment solution was better. Okay, and then the high speed shot. This is from our new 4K Chronos camera, and I think it looks really great. We can nicely see how it cracks. The crack goes quite slowly, and when it gets like all the way through, then it gets quite fast. And here is the wider shot. You can see how the squirrel gets hit. I think this wouldn't be really like bad hit. They are moving quite slowly. Mennään sit pitkään.